What if I told you that the simple egg sitting innocently in your refrigerator right now could be secretly undermining your health and sabotaging your culinary efforts due to 5 critical mistakes nearly everyone makes? The humble egg, packed with protein and essential nutrients, might actually be making you sick or depriving you of its amazing health benefits because of how you're handling it. Stay with me until the end, because the 5th mistake is something that shocked even professional chefs and could completely transform your cooking game overnight. Eggs have been a dietary staple across cultures for thousands of years, yet modern conveniences have led us astray from proper egg handling techniques that our ancestors understood instinctively. Each time you crack open an egg, you're either unlocking a powerhouse of nutrition or potentially exposing yourself to harmful bacteria and toxins. A difference comes down to these 5 simple yet critical mistakes that I'm about to reveal. Let's dive into mistake number 1 that puts your digestive system at serious risk: consuming raw or undercooked eggs. This common practice is essentially playing Russian roulette with your health, as raw eggs can harbor salmonella bacteria that transform your stomach into a battleground of uncomfortable and potentially dangerous symptoms. The symptoms include severe diarrhea, painful abdominal cramps, and fever that can last for days or even require hospitalization in vulnerable individuals. Many people believe consuming raw eggs provides superior protein absorption, but this is actually a dangerous myth. Proper cooking is essential to neutralize avidin, a protein that blocks biotin absorption, ensuring you actually benefit from the egg's nutritional profile instead of losing these vital nutrients. Next time you're tempted by a recipe calling for raw eggs or a partially runny yolk, remember the potential consequences aren't worth the momentary pleasure. Hey there, if you're finding these egg insights valuable, take just 1 second to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another life-changing tip that could improve your health and culinary skills. Your support helps us continue creating content that cuts through misinformation and delivers practical knowledge you can use immediately. Moving on to mistake number 2, improper storage of cooked eggs, which creates the perfect breeding ground for harmful bacteria. Leaving eggs at room temperature is essentially extending an invitation to bacterial growth that accelerates at an alarming rate. Bacteria multiply exponentially in the danger zone between 40 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, potentially doubling every 20 minutes. To keep your perfectly cooked eggs safe for consumption, you must cool them rapidly and transfer them to airtight containers in your refrigerator. Position them prominently in your fridge where they'll be visible and consumed within 3 to 4 days for optimal safety and taste. Mistake number 3 involves a cooking error that transforms nutritious eggs into nutritionally depleted rubber, overcooking at excessively high temperatures. This common mistake doesn't just ruin texture and flavor, but actually destroys vital nutrients and creates potentially harmful compounds. High heat breaks down delicate vitamins, including essential B vitamins and selenium, that support brain health and immune function. Even more concerning, overcooking eggs can create oxidized cholesterol compounds that may contribute to arterial plaque buildup and increase heart disease risk. A solution is surprisingly simple. Cook eggs gently over medium-low heat, allowing proteins to coagulate without becoming tough, while preserving their nutritional integrity. The 4th mistake revolves around improper reheating techniques that turn perfectly good leftover eggs into an unappetizing, rubbery mess. Microwaving eggs on high power causes moisture to evaporate rapidly, leaving behind a texture similar to a tennis ball, rather than the creamy delight you originally enjoyed. For scrambled eggs and omelets, use the microwave on 50% power with short intervals of 15 seconds, stirring between each heating cycle to distribute heat evenly. Oiled or poached eggs require even gentler treatment. Simply place them in hot water for 1 to 2 minutes until warmed through without additional cooking. With these simple adjustments, your leftover eggs can maintain their texture and flavor profile for a second delicious meal. Now for the 5th and most surprising mistake that even culinary professionals often overlook: using the wrong cooking oil. This seemingly minor detail can transform your healthy egg breakfast into an inflammation-promoting meal that contributes to chronic health issues. Many home cooks reach for conventional vegetable oils like soybean, canola, or corn oil, without realizing these highly processed options contain concerning levels of omega-6 fatty acids that can promote inflammatory pathways in the body. The solution is switching to traditional cooking fats that humans have used for centuries before industrial processing took over our food supply. Options like butter, ghee, coconut oil, or olive oil not only enhance flavor, but provide healthy fats that support hormone production and cellular health. Butter and ghee contain beneficial short-chain fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins when sourced from pasture-raised animals. Coconut oil offers medium-chain triglycerides that provide immediate energy rather than storing as body fat. Extra virgin olive oil delivers polyphenols and antioxidants that protect against cellular damage while adding a distinct flavor profile to your egg creations. This simple switch from industrial seed oils to traditional cooking fats might be the most impactful change you can make for your long-term health outcomes. By avoiding these 5 critical mistakes, you'll transform your egg experience from potentially harmful to optimally nutritious and delicious. Proper cooking techniques ensure pathogen destruction while maintaining nutrient integrity. Smart storage practices prevent bacterial proliferation and preserve freshness. Gentle heat application preserves delicate nutrients and prevents harmful compound formation. Appropriate reheating methods maintain textural integrity and flavor profiles. Selecting quality cooking fats enhances both nutritional value and culinary enjoyment. Eggs truly are one of nature's most perfect foods when handled correctly, providing complete protein, essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats in an affordable package. What egg mistake were you most surprised to learn about today, and which one will you correct first in your own kitchen routine? Remember to like this video, share it with friends who might be making these same mistakes, and comment below with your favorite egg preparation method. Thank you for joining me on this eggfulent journey to better health and culinary mastery through proper egg handling and preparation.